Hi, this is Sidel Howell with San Diego Home Care Supplies. This is our video series on bathroom safety equipment. So this video we're going to talk about commodes. The really wonderful thing about commodes is they not only serve the purpose of sitting next to the bed. By the way, if you're going to have somebody using a commode that's not in the bathroom, you always want to make sure you use a bucket liner. So these bucket liners have a special towel that's very, very absorbent. So it's going to turn that liquid into a solid, absorb all the odors, and in the morning you just doop, 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 throw it away. The nice thing about these commodes, not only do they come with a bucket, they also come with a splash guard. So you can use it over the toilet. Just like that. So you can have, it's basically like getting yourself a raised toilet seat with the handles. So it serves three purposes. And if you have someone that you're taking care of and they're going to be using it next to their bed during the day, at night, during the day you can put it in the bathroom and they're going to be at the same level they were at night. So they have less things to remember and think about, oh, where am I right now? Because when someone is waking up in the middle of the night to go to the bathroom, they're a little bit disoriented and you want everything to be as normal and predictable as possible. So, and the next thing I want to talk about are the different types of commodes. Most people are familiar with just the basic commode, but there are also some really nice ones for people who you need to transfer, for example, from a wheelchair or from a bed. These drop arm commodes are really handy for that, right? So if you need to transfer from one side to the other, you just push a button, the handle goes down, you transfer them inside, and you can pull the handle up, and if they need to, they can help push themselves up. They also come with some that have an opening in the front, so it helps clean the perineal area a little bit easier. And of course, if you have someone who you need to wheel around, they do have the commodes with the wheels. And if you're going to be pushing them more than just a few feet, I would highly, highly recommend you get the ones with the footrests. You don't want to be pushing around somebody for very long distances without a footrest, because then you have a risk of them getting entangled in the wheels, and that's not pretty. So here we have our bariatric commodes. This is your standard bariatric commode, and it has a 500-pound capacity. You notice they're at two different heights. Either one of them can be raised or lowered to both of these heights and in between. This one has an added feature of having drop arms like the one I just showed you earlier. So you can drop the arm out of the way so that they can get easily transferred in and then transferred back out. Again, these also have the splash guards, so if you were able to use it next to or on top of a toilet, if you had enough room on the sides, you could use these in your bathroom as well, and then they would double as a raised toilet seat and the rails, saving you money, so not having to buy many, many objects, and you're going to be rest assured that they will hold the person who is going to be using the equipment. So remember, size matters. If you need help and you're not quite sure what to get, come visit us and we'd be happy to help you choose the right one for your personal needs. Thank you for watching. For more how-tos and tips and tricks on home medical supplies and equipment, subscribe to our channel and check out our playlist for more videos on this topic and more. From our family to yours, thank you for watching.